happened to
Robot Jones? Robot Jones.
You can't run forever, Robot Jones. Your brain will be ours. After him, Denny.
Yes, brother.
Surrender, robot.
This is RJ Alba requesting assistance.
Danger. RJ Alba. Come in. Over.
QB here. Over.
Code Red. Yogmans in pursuit. Enemy is armed and extremely salivated. Over.
Robot? QB calling Midge. Code Red. I repeat, Code Red.
Locking onto target. Gotcha. Oh, did the poor little robot fall down? Excellent. More paper, brother.
Yes, my brother.
Any last words?
Help.
Hey, Robot! Robot!
Where'd that stupid QB come from?
You Yogmans better be ready for some major pummeling! My cool glasses! I can't be seen without my cool glasses! They must be around here somewhere!
Now, where was I?
Hey, Robot, over here. I got you covered.
Come back here. What?
My eyes! My eyes!
Whoa! Curses! How many stupid friends does he have?
Dude, that was close.
Put go.
Help me, Robot.
Ah! It looks like Slow Butt Jones has run out of friends. His brain is as good as ours.
Ah, I'm blind! I can't see!
Stop! Oh, my brother. When we are blinded, we should stand still and fix the problem, no?
No! We should run fast to escape the blindness!
Brother, you are, as ever, a priceless addition to the family. Now wipe off your glasses whilst I prepare one final spitball.
Say, what are we going to do with Robot's brain once we get it?
Fabulous things, my brother. Wonderfully devious things. Oh, the things that we'll do with that little dork's brain.
Oh, man. Robot and Mitch are hurt. What am I gonna do? Think, Sock, think! Got it!
First, we'll brainwash the principal and outlaw PE class. Yes, the beauty of it all is... Oh, well, enough daydreaming. Let's finish this. Say your prayers, robot.
Hey, Yogmans! Huh? Come and get me, you stinking slobbering creepazoids!
Grrr, after him, you fool.
Oh, yeah!
brother? Brother, Son?
Well, speak.
I came up with a remote control AV cart with 100% improved efficiency.
Not bad. But can you come up with a way to get rid of Slowbot's friends?
Friends?
If it weren't for Robot's stupid friends, we would have his brain.
Maybe we could get those guys to be our friends instead.
Haha, not likely. But maybe if we could take them out and turn them against him somehow. Yes!
Meanwhile, under the stairs. Hey, sorry I was late to the action earlier, guys. Oh, man, that science quiz was murder.
You mean those fish sticks were murder?
Hey, Socks, how's your essay coming along? It's due in like 15 minutes, isn't it?
Yep, and I'm feeling pretty good about it.
Hello, chums.
Hey, get your AV card off our turf.
Whoa, tough guy. Look, we just wanted to say we're sorry we tried to take your friend's brain. And we just wanted to offer a gift to make amends. It's a short, highly entertaining program.
You think we'll just watch anything you put in front of us?
Oh, I think you'll enjoy this program. Yes, enjoy it very much. Now come to me, my slaves. Yes, master.
Socks assignment, but where is Socks? Socks, this essay is terrible. Socks. Socks, Mitch, Cubic.
Hello, Slowbutt.
Welcome to your doom.
Hello, Socks, this is Robot. Over. Cubic, Mitch.
Aw, too bad, Robot. Can't find your friends.
Where are they?
Why, look closely, Robot. They're right in front of you.
Friends?
Yes, robot jokes. We are not your friends.
We
are the Yogstrosity.
QB. Attack!
Cubic, stop.
We want your brain.
Analyzing Cubic for weakness. Yes, of course. Fire spitballs.
Cannot see. Danger. Cool glasses. Malfunction. Danger.
Malfunction on friend number 1.
Then get friend 2 going.
Must take offensive measures. It's spitball time, old buddy.
My headphones.
Help me, Robot.
We're losing power on zombie number 2.
Curses! Divert all power to the remaining zombie.
Yes, brother.
Attack!
No fuck.
Yes! Yes! Get him! Smash him!
Must handle is for weakness. What to do? Need a strategic plan. Celebrate.
All zombies down! What now, brother?
Data log entry. Good friends are usually there to help you out when you're in trouble, but sometimes even your best friend's programming could get corrupted. Final analysis. Ultimately, your own data is what makes you the stronger unit.